Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Prime Video fix Kannada movies. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so just simply updating to the latest app will probably fix the issue. Now go back and try again, and if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is just simply head over to the settings app, and once you're inside here, scroll down, then tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage, and inside iPhone storage scroll down to the bottom, tap on show all, and then tap on Prime Video. Now once you're inside here, tap on offload app, and then tap on offload app to begin the process. And what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which might be causing the issue that you are facing. So instead of this upload app, you'll have an option that says reinstall app. Simply tap on that, and once that process is complete, all you got to do is try again. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.